Hey there! Welcome back to our channel where we explore conscious living and sustainable practices. Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem small but holds immense importance when it comes to minimizing waste, reducing plastic pollution, and creating a healthier lifestyle. We're talking about those tiny changes that you can make in your bathroom routine. Yes, your daily hygiene rituals. Those seemingly insignificant moments in front of the mirror can have a significant impact on the environment. So let's turn this ordinary space into an extraordinary one by exploring some amazing ways you can reduce waste. And before we dive in, if you find value in the information we share, please consider supporting us. Your support helps us continue delivering quality content that informs and inspires your journey towards a more sustainable lifestyle. Now let's get started. Number 1. Swap your bottled shampoo. This is a major culprit when it comes to plastic waste. On average, people use around 800 milliliters of shampoo per year, which equates to approximately 67 kilograms of plastic waste. By switching to solid shampoo bars, you can significantly reduce your carbon footprint. But here's the exciting part. Studies show that shampoo bars are just as effective at cleaning your hair as their liquid counterparts. In fact, they often contain higher concentrations of active ingredients, ensuring a thorough clean. It's a win-win situation. So how do you get started? Well, it's simpler than you think. A wide range of brands now offer shampoo bars made with natural ingredients and free from harmful chemicals. They come in recyclable packaging, minimizing waste even further. Plus, many of these bars last up to 3 times longer than traditional bottles. Imagine the long-term impact if everyone made the switch. So why not start today? Give shampoo bars a try and say no to plastic bottles while keeping your hair clean and luscious. Number 2. Ditch the plastic toothbrush. You might be surprised to learn that plastic toothbrushes pose a significant threat to wildlife and the environment. These toothbrushes, which are designed for convenience, often end up in landfills where they persist for hundreds of years. According to studies, it takes 400 years for a plastic toothbrush to decompose. That's a staggering statistic that highlights the urgency for change. And while we wait for those years to pass, animals often mistake plastic for food, causing them harm and even death. But there's good news on the horizon. Bamboo toothbrushes present a natural and sustainable solution to this pressing issue. Made from rapidly renewable bamboo, these toothbrushes are biodegradable and compostable, meaning they return to the earth without leaving a lasting impact. What's more, bamboo toothbrushes are just as effective at plaque removal and gum care as plastic ones. They're gentle on the teeth and gums, ensuring a comfortable brushing experience. It's time to make the switch to bamboo toothbrushes. Not only will you be reducing plastic waste, but you'll also be contributing to a healthier planet for both humans and wildlife. Number 3. Say goodbye to disposable razors. Traditional disposable razors not only leave you with unwanted stubble, but also contribute to a staggering amount of waste. Every year, millions of tons of plastic waste are generated by the improper disposal of these razors. If you've ever pondered what happens to those used razors, the answer is rarely a pleasant one. They often end up in landfills where they remain for hundreds of years, leaching harmful chemicals into the soil. But here's a sleek and sustainable alternative: the stainless steel safety razor. Unlike its disposable counterpart, this razor is built to last. With proper care, it can be used for years, drastically reducing the number of razors that end up in landfills. But it doesn't stop there. Stainless steel safety razors provide a closer, more comfortable shave while reducing the risk of cuts and irritation. It's a luxurious shaving experience that aligns with your environmental consciousness. Making the switch to a stainless steel safety razor is not just a personal grooming choice, it's a statement. It's a commitment to reducing waste, minimizing the environmental impact, and embracing a product that stands the test of time. Number 4. Use refillable products. In today's world where convenience often comes at the cost of sustainability, finding ways to reduce waste has become crucial. One significant contributor to plastic pollution is the personal care industry. The sheer volume of plastic packaging used by various beauty and hygiene products is staggering. But there's a simple solution to combat this waste: refills. Refillable products not only minimize waste, but also offer a cost-effective solution. Many brands are now offering refill stations, allowing customers to buy their favorite products in bulk and reuse their existing containers. From shampoos and conditioners to lotions and soaps, the options are vast. But if you prefer the convenience of home delivery, there are online refill services that cater to your needs. They deliver concentrated refills of your chosen products, eliminating the need for single-use plastic bottles. Some brands have ingeniously designed their products with refillable elements in mind. For instance, toothpaste brands are producing tablets that you can drop into a reusable container, minimizing the need for plastic tubes. Similarly, shaving brands are offering blades that fit into existing handles, reducing waste and providing a cost-effective solution for frequent shavers. Embracing refillable products is a conscious choice towards a more sustainable future. It is about making small changes in our daily routines that collectively create a significant impact on reducing plastic waste and preserving the environment. Number 5. Go plastic-free with feminine hygiene products. Did you know that every year over 200 billion pads and liners are produced globally? This accounts for a whopping 200,000 tons of plastic waste. However, there is hope on the horizon. As awareness grows, so does the availability of eco-friendly alternatives. Menstrual cups, reusable cloth pads, and period underwear are gaining popularity as sustainable and cost-effective solutions. These alternatives not only reduce waste, but also offer numerous health benefits. Menstrual cups, for example, are reusable and significantly reduce the need for disposable pads or tampons. Cloth pads are another fantastic option, providing a soft, comfortable, and chemical-free alternative. Period underwear is also making waves with its convenience and absorbency. These remarkable innovations are changing the way we manage our periods. By choosing these plastic-free alternatives, we can minimize our environmental impact and embrace a healthier approach to feminine hygiene. It's a simple yet powerful step towards a more sustainable future. Number 6. Sustainable cotton swabs and wipes. It's hard to imagine a bathroom without cotton swabs. But did you know that these seemingly harmless items contribute to a staggering 9 million tons of plastic waste annually? Most conventional cotton swabs use plastic for both the swab and packaging. But there's a simple shift we can make to address this issue: choosing paper-stemmed cotton swabs. These eco-friendly alternatives use paper instead of plastic for the swab, reducing waste and ensuring biodegradability. But it doesn't end there. There are additional options such as bamboo cotton swabs, which offer a more sustainable and natural solution. Moreover, cotton pads are commonly used for makeup removal, but they come with their own set of environmental concerns due to their plastic backing. Fortunately, there's a solution. Reusable cotton rounds made from bamboo and cotton offer a sustainable and practical alternative. These rounds can be washed and used repeatedly, minimizing waste and saving money. Embracing these eco-friendly swaps is a collective responsibility. By choosing paper-stemmed cotton swabs and reusable cotton rounds, we can minimize plastic waste, promote sustainability, and protect the environment for future generations. As we conclude this journey through sustainable bathroom swaps, remember that every small step counts. By making conscious choices in our daily routines, we can collectively make a significant impact. From reducing plastic waste to embracing reusable products, each step brings us closer to a healthier planet. Let's continue to explore eco-friendly alternatives, support sustainable brands, and spread awareness about conscious consumerism. Together, we can create a ripple effect that promotes sustainability and protects the environment for future generations.